If you want a cool tool to add to your toolbox, check this out. So at first glance, this is a level, right? But it's also an angle finder. To use the angle finder, simply turn it on, set it to 0 if it's not already set to 0. Twist this knob to loosen it, and check this out. So now it's going to digitally calibrate your degree angle. Once you have the angle you're looking for, go ahead and lock this in place. This tool comes in super useful, especially for those existing angles, and this would work really well on like trim work and stuff. As we know, 90-degree angles aren't always 90 degrees, or say your wall kicks out a little bit, you can find that angle easily with this tool. Having this cool angle finder as well as the level together will help you save a lot of time and help with efficiency. So if this tool is something you'd be interested in purchasing, I'll make sure to leave a link below. Thanks, guys.